Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Pixel wallet with Bybit in just a few steps. First, log into your Pixelverse account and go to your dashboard and enter the verification code if you need. And once your dashboard, look for the wallet icon. Then, uh, from the Bybit option that appears, select Bybit wallet. And this one right here. Next, click connect to link your Bybit wallet to Pixelverse. Once successfully connected, you will receive 1,000 pics as a reward for completing this step. And that's it. Your Bybit wallet is now linked with Pixelverse, and you have also earned 1,000 pics. Don't forget, after connecting your wallet, you can start completing more tasks to earn even more pics. And now that your wallet is connected, you can use it to earn more and participate in Pixelverse's exciting activities. And thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need to learn more about this, just go to this link tutorial here. This link I'll put it in the description below, and you can find more things to do with the Pixelverse.